Are you looking for a drone with 4K camera on Amazon? In this video, I will show you the 5 best drone with 4K camera on Amazon based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Idea 21 drone with 4K camera. Idea 21 was built to go wherever adventure takes you. Inheriting the best of the Idea series, this ultra-portable and foldable drone features high-end flight, performance and functionality for limitless exploration. Compared to the folding propeller, the integrated propeller has high efficiency, better wind resistance and quieter sound. Adjustable 4K UHD camera with 120 FOV wide angle, fine capture of every wonderful moment. Idea 21 is equipped with a precise one-axis gimbal. Powerful and stronger engine with unique engine cooling hole design ensures that the engine can work uninterrupted for 30 days without being damaged. The 4th product on the list is the drone with camera for adults 4K 31 minutes flight. Built-in advanced 4 brushless motors to ensure stable flight at high speed 10 ms and long distance, more quiet, powerful and longevous than brushed motor. Integrated, the fast charging technology can be fully charged within 2 hours for 31 minutes max flight time. The joysticks are removable that unscrews for storage under a rubber flap and avoid transport damage. The smart spring-loaded sliding mechanism is designed to fit your smartphone in a different size. Fast and no-delay 5.8G Wi-Fi real-time trans lets you enjoy a FPV image with up to 2,600 foot control distance. The 3rd product on the list is the Roku F11 foldable GPS drones with 4K camera. Simply draw a route on the app screen. You can use tap fly function to set up to 16 points on a map. The drone will automatically follow and fly along the waypoints. The max speed of the drone is up to 43.2 km per hour. The drone automatically follows and captures you wherever you move. It keeps you in the frame at all times, making it easy to get complex shots, providing hands-free flying and selfie. Equipped with strong GPS positioning and air pressure, the drone can hover stably to avoid camera vibration and ensure a stabilized video quality. The 2nd product on the list is the Potensic D58 best drone with 4K camera. This aluminum carrying case is designed for D58, holding all drone and its accessories in this case. Ideal for outdoor flying, it is a good protector for D58 in case of transport collision, and all your things in it will be in sound. 4K camera represents HD and high-quality image and fluent videos. The 120 degrees wide angle lets you enjoy a wide field of view of your shootings. There is a camera adjust button on the remote control. Just one button to adjust camera up and downwards 90 degrees, capturing beautiful scenery upper or below your quadcopter. This remote control with a telescopic smartphone holder. Large enough for hold no matter how big your phone is, and tight enough that your phone will not drop easily. The 1st product on the list is the DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. Mavic Air 2 takes power and portability to the next level, offering advanced features in a compact form factor. Intelligent shooting functions and excellent image quality put aerial masterpieces within reach. Safer, smarter flight enables you to up your game while fully enjoying the creative process. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. Capture impressive 48MP photos with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K to 60 frames per second video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad Bayer image sensor. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.